Namaskar. Now in this auspicious ceremony, three major projects based in Karnataka are being dedicated to the nation at the august hands of Sri Piyush Ji Goyal, Honorable Minister for Railways. हमें आशीर्वाद देने हेतु इस कार्यक्रम में सम्माननीय रेल श्री पीयूष जी गोयल जुड़ गए हैं। हम तहे दिल उनका स्वागत कर रहे हैं। जनरल मैनेजर साउथ वेस्टर्न रेलवे श्री A.K. सिंह जी से प्रार्थना है कि वे सभी मान्यवरों का स्वागत करें तथा तीनों प्रकल्पों के बारे में संक्षिप्त जानकारी भी दें।
Namaskar. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Shri Piyush Goyal, Honorable Minister of Railways, Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. On the occasion of dedication to the nation of doubling of track between Gubbi and Nittur and between Chikkodi and Raibag and new station building at Raibag, it's a pleasure to have Shri J.C. Madhuswamy, Honorable Minister of Minor Irrigation and District in Charge, Minister of Tumakuru, Government of Karnataka, Shri Mahantesh M. Kavantagimat, Honorable Chief Whip of Legislative Government of Karnataka. I also welcome Honorable Members of Parliament, Shri G.S. Basavaraj, Honorable Member of Lok Sabha Tumakuru, Shri Iranna Kadadi, Honorable MP Rajya Sabha, MLA Shri Duryodhan Ayole, Raibag. I also welcome other distinguished guests and representatives of press and media who have joined us through video link from Gubbi and Raibag for this function. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Indian Railways has been achieving all-round progress with firm focus on safety and passenger services while leveraging the latest technology. Karnataka had historically been a single-line non-electrified railway network. Indian Railways is transforming railway network in Karnataka by taking up doubling and electrification of lines. This will build futuristic railway network and enable running of faster trains. With renewed trust on infrastructure augmentation by Honorable MR, record commissioning of doubling is being done in Karnataka SWR. SWR will be adding 203 kilometers of lines this year in its network, one of the highest in Indian Railways, by completing 49 kilometers of new lines and 154 kilometers of doubling of existing tracks. The entire railway line from Bengaluru to Miraj is passing through 10 districts in Karnataka. Gubbi-Nittur section is penultimate section in Tumakuru Arsikere doubling. Once the full section is completed, Bengaluru to Hubli doubling will be 80% complete. It constitutes the main trunk route for Karnataka. Doubling between Chikkodi Road and Raibag stations is a part of doubling project between Londa and Miraj. Full section is expected with electrification by 2023. Along with doubling, many important passenger amenity works are also being taken up at the stations. I assure Honorable MR and all public representatives of Karnataka present that SWR will work dedicatedly towards upgrading railway network in Karnataka to fulfill aspirations of the people. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Now may I request Sri Iranna Kadadi ji, Honorable MP Rajya Sabha, to address us from Raibag.
नमस्ते सर, मैं हिरण्य कडाडी मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा। हमारा रेलवे मंत्री जी माननीय पीयूष गोयल साहब के पास एक हमारा निवेदन है। पहले मीटर गेज में मंगलुरु, मैसूर और गोवा वो तीनों जगहों के हमारे लोगों के लिए ट्रेन था। वो ब्रॉडगेज होने के बाद वो बंद हुआ, इसीलिए वो तीनों फिर चालू करने के लिए हमारा विनंती है। और दूसरा, हुबली से मिरज तक वो डबलिंग रोड है ना, वो डबलिंग ट्रैक जल्दी से जल्दी होना चाहिए तो थोड़ा अच्छा होते। टाइम भी बच गए थे हमारे लिए, इसीलिए वो दो निवेदन आपके पास है। और हुबली से मिरज तक सभी रेलवे स्टेशन का अपग्रेडेशन काम चल रहा है, वो थोड़ा जल्दी हुए तो वो भी अच्छा होते, इसीलिए आपके पास यही निवेदन है। और चिक्कोडी से रायबाग तक वो डबलिंग काम पूरा होने के बाद वो ओपनिंग कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए आपके बहुत शुभकामनाएं बोलते हैं हम यहाँ से। थैंक यू सर।
Now, may I request Sri G.S. Basavaraj, Honorable Member of Lok Sabha, Tumkur, to address us through video link from Gubbi.
Respected Piyush Goyal ji, I am very happy today. You are unveiling the great line, the dedication to the nation of our doubling between Gubbi and Nittu. This is a very great occasion for you to inaugurate for this. And also I request you to continue the same within 6 months for the entire area up to Arsikere. And the same will be continued, finish 15 1 year to Gubbi also. Moreover, I wish to thank you, sir, this time, Piyush Goyal ji, that he has given an ongoing two railway lines for giving an answer of funds for all ongoing railway lines for finishing the entire work within 1 hour. And also, secondly, I request you to your concern to issue necessary instructions to the 4 Bangalore's of fast tracking Tumkur, Chikmadawara railway electrification to Tumkur also. Thirdly, I also request for early sanction from the Railway Ministry to the following new line projects for such preliminary traffic and engineering survey has been already completed. The proposal is pending before the Railway Ministry. This may kindly be as early as possible to finish the same. And also I request to take the bypass line. Secondly, Tumkur Korean Muddu Madhavi new project. Thirdly, this Chedukuru project. This is an important project, and I request you to sanction as early as possible, and it should be very easy to your commuters to pass all over my constituency, sir. Thank you very much.
हमारे बीच उपस्थित श्री महंतेश यम कवटाजी मठ, ऑनरेबल चीफ व्हिप ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका, उनसे गुजारिश है कि हमें रायबाग से वो संबोधित करें.
Dedication to the nation of doubling of Chikkodi Raibag railway stations and new station building at Raibag railway station. Honorable Piyush Goyal ji, Honorable Minister for Railways and Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs and Food and Civil Supplies, Government of India. Distinguished guest on the dais, Mananiya MLA of Raibag, Sri Duryodhana Ayole ji, Hirana Kadadi ji, Rajya Sabha member, and all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Really, I'd like to congratulate Piyush Goyal ji for inaugurating the today's Ghataprabha Chikkodi railway doubling line and Chikkodi Raibag doubling lane. On behalf of Chikkodi and Raibag people, I'd like to congratulate Piyush Goyal ji for inaugurating both the doubling lines. This is going to enhance the doubling line will catering to the needs of the farmers of this area, particularly northern Karnataka, connecting Miraz to Belgaum, Belgaum to Bangalore. This is connecting between both the states of Maharashtra and Karnataka, sir. This is really going to help the farmers of this area, and particularly after doubling, the rails between the Karnataka and Maharashtra are going to speed up, and we are going to save a lot of time also because of the doubling line, sir. This was the deemed project of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and on the auspicious hands of Sri Piyush Goyal ji, it has been inaugurated. And in the coming days, Karnataka is the railway hub, as this is the main area of farming community of this area. Lots of sugar factories are here in this area, particularly in Belgaum, Bagalkot and Vijaypura. These are the districts which are catering to the needs of the farming community, and
This is the more sugarcane growing area, and we'll be able to export the sugar to the nearing ports and particularly to Mumbai and Goa, sir. I'd like to congratulate you, and we do remember Honorable Suresh Angadi ji was the former minister, earlier Minister of Railways and Parliament member of Belgaum. We miss him today, sir. But at the auspicious hands of you, sir, today this has been, the both railway lines, doubling lines have been inaugurated. I would like to once again congratulate you and Honorable Prime Minister for this great thing, sir. Already Government of India, Ministry of Railways has spent more than 150 crores for Ghataprabha Chikkodi and 120 crores for Chikkodi and Raibag, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time, sir. And there are some requests which you have already given it to your concerned officers for stopping of some railways at Raibag and Raibag. The other express has to be stopped at Raibag. That is the request. Because of the COVID issues, it has been cancelled. I'd like to request for continuation of the other express to be stopped at Raibag, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Now, may I request Sri J.C. Madhuswamiji, Honorable Minister for Minor Irrigation and District In Charge Minister of Tumkur, Government of Karnataka, to kindly address us from Gubbi.
Honorable Sri Piyush Goyal ji, dignitaries on the dais, all railway employees and senior officers, I take this opportunity as a endeavor for the district by which you have converted some length of our district railway for doubling. Still, sir, unless it is completed till Arsikere, I don't think any purpose will be served out of this, because our junction starts from Arsikere and runs up to Bangalore. So kindly take up the issue of converting further length of the railway lane till Arsikere. Then, sir, we have some request with you. That is, as our Honorable MP suggested, we have to have a connection between Bidar and Mysore, that is Srirangpatna, which was surveyed at the regime of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, and the work is stalled till then. Kindly take up this issue, sir. This will connect 4 or 5 districts. In this area, we will come across major mining areas of Chitradurg and Tumkur district, and it is going to be fruitful for 500 kilometers almost, along with the lane of National Highway 150A. Then, sir, there is a small issue, you can sort it out at the earliest, that is connecting Dudda and Tiptur, sir. Just 20 kilometers of railway is connected from Hassan district to Tiptur. Will be helped a lot by getting connection to Mysore and Bangalore cities, which is very good for us for the business purpose. Then, sir, we have very close to Bangalore city, and road traffic is too much between Bangalore and Tumkur. So kindly enhance the railway routes to Tumkur, or else you connect our metro or suburban ride up to Tumkur, which is just 60-70 kilometers of Bangalore. I congratulate you for this occasion for doubling the railway line, and I hope the rest of the line will be completed early. However, I am very happy that you have taken a lot of interest regarding our state and district. Thank you, sir.
डबलिंग प्रोजेक्ट और नया स्टेशन बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट जो आज राष्ट्र सेवा में समर्पित हो रहे हैं, उनके बारे में जानकारी देने वाली एक शॉर्ट वीडियो अब हम देखने जा रहे हैं.
Doubling of railway lines between Gubbi to Nittur and Chikkodi Road to Raibag. Indian Railways is all set to usher in new chapter of development along the trunk route of Karnataka. Karnataka historically possessed a single line and non-electrified railway track. As a result, section capacity to run trains was seriously limited. In single line section, trains have to wait for crossing. On completion of doubling, line capacity will increase substantially and consequently the travel time will come down. As doubling enhances the mobility, more number of trains can be run on completion of doubling of full route. Intercity connectivity in Karnataka will get a big boost.
आज पहले से कहीं ज्यादा तेजी के साथ पुराने रेल रूट का चौड़ीकरण और बिजलीकरण किया जा रहा है। रेल ट्रैक को ज्यादा स्पीड के लिए सक्षम बनाया जा रहा है।
In tune with the vision of Honorable Prime Minister to transform and modernize railway system to fulfill the aspirations of people, doubling and electrification of railway lines from Bengaluru to Miraj has been sanctioned in the year 2015. Bengaluru, Silicon Valley of India and capital of Karnataka, is soon going to be connected to North Karnataka with much smoother and faster rail connectivity. Southwestern Railways has undertaken project of doubling of entire railway network between Bengaluru and Hubballi to Miraj via Belagavi. Out of 747 kilometers from Bengaluru to Miraj, 459 kilometers has already been doubled. Recently, 23 kilometers of doubling of railway lines between Gubbi and Nittur with a stretch of 9 kilometers and between Chikkodi and Raibag with 14 kilometers stretch has been successfully completed. The total cost of the stretch completed recently is Rs 226 crores. The entire doubling route has been made fit to run 25-ton axle load trains at 110 kilometers per hour. Between Gubbi and Nittur, 2 major bridges and 15 minor bridges. Between Chikkodi and Raibag, 22 minor bridges, 4 road under bridges and 1 canal bridge were constructed with advanced technology. As a part of these works, modern station buildings have aesthetically come up at Gubbi, Nittur and Raibag. These station buildings have upgraded amenities, new platforms, foot-over bridges, waiting halls for men and women, expanded circulating area, etc. Handling of train operations has been optimized with provision for latest signaling system. All crossing stations, Gubbi, Nittur, Raibag has been provided with indigenously developed state-of-art electronic interlocking. Energy conservation has been ensured with 100% LED fittings at stations. The doubling of entire line from Bengaluru to Miraj is targeted to be completed by the year 2023. Journey from Bengaluru to Hubballi and Belagavi, even up to Solapur, is said to be comfortable, quicker on completion of doubling with electrification of railway line. Total of 23 kilometers stretch of doubling of railway track between Chikkodi Road to Raibag, Gubbi to Nittur and new station building at Raibag railway station will be inaugurated and dedicated to nation today.
अब सम्माननीय रेल मंत्री जी के कर कमलों द्वारा बारी बारी से तीनों प्रकल्पों का राष्ट्र सेवा में समर्पण होगा. At the first instance, project of doubling project between Gubbi and Nittur is being dedicated by unavailing plaque and by remote button. Next. Now it is time to dedicate in the service of nation the project between Kodi and Raibagh. रायबाग में जो नया स्टेशन बिल्डिंग प्रकल्प पूरा हुआ है, इसका राष्ट्र के प्रति समर्पण हो रहा है नाम पट्टिका खोलकर और रिमोट बटन के द्वारा। सम्माननीय रेल मंत्री जी के करकल द्वारा। Let us now hear to the precious address and advice of Shri Piyush Ji Goyal, Honorable Minister for Railways.
Thank you, Shri Madhuswamy, Honorable Minor Irrigation Minister, Government of Karnataka, and District in Charge, Minister for Tumakuru, Shri Mahantesh Kawati Gimat, the Honorable Chief Whip of the Legislative Council, Government of Karnataka, Shri Iranna Kadadi, the Honorable MP, Shri Basavaraju, Honorable MP, Shri Aihole Duryodhan, Honorable MLA, other distinguished public representatives, Chairman Railway Board, Mr. Sunit Sharma, members of the Railway Board, General Manager, Mr. A.K. Singh, other senior colleagues from the Indian Railways, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm missing my friend and colleague, Shri Suresh Angadi, who would have otherwise been launching these projects instead of me. He was a great minister, big support to the entire railway family, committed and passionate about his work to promote faster development of railways in the state of Karnataka. And he would always, with his smiling face, encourage all of us, his colleagues in the railways, with very good ideas, very, very good innovative thoughts about what can be done to make the railways serve the people better. Today, I pay tribute to the late Shri Suresh Angadi for the exemplary work that he has done for the railways and for the state of Karnataka. The people of Karnataka have always shown a lot of resilience, grit, and determination to overcome problems. And as we emerge from the shadows of COVID-19, we can see a new enthusiasm, new levels of growth being achieved in the state of Karnataka. I compliment the people of Karnataka, the government of Karnataka, for the rapid recovery both of the economy and the safety and security of the people of Karnataka under the dynamic leadership of Shri Yediyurappa ji. Karnataka has seen that when both the central government led by Shri Narendra Modi ji, state government work together as a team, then it gives a double engine speed to progress, to growth. And the Indian Railways adds the third dimension. And when all three, central government, state government, supported by the Indian Railways, work together, we can see unprecedented development in the state of Karnataka. Today's doubling of track from Gubbi to Nittur, while it may seem like a small stretch, it is a part of a larger vision to double the railway line from Arsikere to Tumakuru on the Bengaluru-Hubli line. And with this commissioning, only about 22 kilometers is balanced between Nittur and Banasandra, which we are confident of completing in the next 4 or 5 months, around July 2021. We have also today, for commissioning, the doubling of track between Chikodi and Raibag. Again, this is a part of a larger project. It's a 14-kilometer part of the doubling project between Londa and Miraj on the Hubli-Miraj line, and will directly impact the Belgavi district, from where Suresh Angadiji was coming. In fact, both these projects were sanctioned in the year 2015-16, and I'm happy that later this year we will complete the first project, and the second project, Chikodi to Raibag, actually the larger project between Londa and Miraj, which is a 186-kilometer project, will be completed in the next 2 years. So far, 30 kilometers have already been commissioned, including today's 14 kilometers. And by March 2023, we are committed to commissioning the entire project. The Raibag railway station has also been provided with increased amenities. And all of these projects put together, I am confident, will provide a catalyst for Karnataka's progress and economic development. The Railways is committed to improving all the railway facilities in the state, as is evident from the fact that as against a budget of about 835 crores at an average that was provided between 2009 to 14 for projects in and passing through the state of Karnataka, the current year's budget for 21-22 has increased that amount to 3,897 crores, which is nearly 5 times what was being invested for projects in the state of Karnataka in the previous government. You can see how committed Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to develop the railway infrastructure in the state of Karnataka. In fact, in the last 6 years, 331 kilometers of new lines have been completed and 772 kilometers of doubling work has also been completed in Karnataka. I am in fact happy to share with you, particularly since Karnataka is very conscious about the environment, that the Indian Railways has taken a decision to electrify the entire railway network in Karnataka in the next 2.5 years. So all trains passing through Karnataka will only run on electric traction by 2023 end, which will reduce the pollution and save the people of Karnataka from the adverse impacts of pollution. In the last 6 years, 792 kilometers have been electrified. Track length has been electrified in Karnataka alone. And this is about 17 times more than was electrified in the previous 5 years, 9 to 14. So you can imagine the speed at which various projects are being done in Karnataka. In fact, 70 new ROBs and 160 new road underbridges have been sanctioned in Karnataka since 2014. The suburban railway in Bengaluru also will transform the transportation in the state of Karnataka and for the people of Bengaluru, to which the government of Karnataka and the Indian Railways are both very committed and are working in partnership through the K-Ride, the special purpose vehicle set up between Indian Railways and government of Karnataka. We are also doing several other projects in Karnataka to improve the facilities and ensure a very good and happy experience for all the passengers who are using the Indian Railways. We shall also be trying to integrate the metro services of Bengaluru with the suburban railway so that there can be seamless transfer of passengers between the metro and the suburban railway. I compliment all the elected representatives of Karnataka for their perseverant follow-up and the government of Karnataka for the huge support that they give to the Indian Railways to speed up the projects in Karnataka. As Prime Minister Modi says, hard work never brings fatigue. It only brings satisfaction. I am happy that the Indian Railways is committed to work sincerely and put in great effort to improve the railway network in the state of Karnataka. I am also happy to share with you that today the Indian Railways has inaugurated in 5 states various projects, lifts, escalators, some electrification in different routes, new tracks being laid, new lines, doubling of lines, other passenger amenities, solar lighting, new LED lighting illuminating the stations, better platform sheds. In 5 states put together, 88 new projects, new completed projects have been inaugurated today in a series of programs, and this only demonstrates the speed of execution of various service-oriented, passenger and freight-oriented projects that the Railways is carrying out across the length and breadth of the country. I compliment the people of Karnataka for the various initiatives that the Railways and the state government are taking to improve the services in Karnataka. I pray for your safety, for your good health. Please take all the necessary precautions of COVID, social distancing, personal hygiene, and wearing a mask in all public places will ensure that we protect ourselves, our family, and our near and dear ones from COVID-19. I pray for your good health and the good health and safety of all your friends and your colleagues. Thank you very much. Good luck.
कर्नाटक में स्थित 3 महत्वपूर्ण रेल प्रकल्पों का राष्ट्र के प्रति समर्पण करने वाले इस कार्यक्रम के आखिरी पड़ाव पर हम आ चुके हैं। नाउ श्री अरविंद मालखेड़े जी, DRM UBL, will be proposing vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries, on behalf of Southwestern Railway, I take this opportunity to thank all the dignitaries who have joined through video link and dignitaries on the dais at Gubbi, at Raibagh for gracing this occasion and making this function a grand success. First of all, we would like to convey our sincere thanks to Shri Piyush Goyal Sir, Honorable Minister of Railways, Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, for dedicating the doubling between Gubbi, Nittur, Chikodi, Raibagh, and dedicating the newly constructed Raibagh railway station building. We express our sincere gratitude to Shri Mahantesh Kavatagi Matji Honorable Chief Whip of Legislative Council, Government of Karnataka, and Shri J.C. Madhu Swamiji, Honorable Minister of Minor Irrigation and District in Charge Minister of Tumkuru. We would also like to thank Shri G.S. Basavaraj, Honorable Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha Tumkuru, and Shri Iranna Kadadi ji, Honorable Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, for gracing this occasion with their presence. Our sincere thanks to Shri Duryodhan Aihole ji, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Raibag, for gracing the occasion. We'd also like to take this opportunity to thank Shri Annappa Swami, President Town Municipal Panchayat, Gubbi, for gracing the function. We'd also like to thank the press and electronic media for giving wide publicity and for their constant support. We'd also like to thank all the people who have attended this function in large numbers and merit a grand success. Sincere thanks to one and all. Jai Hind!